Alright, for my video reflection this week, I'm going to be assembling the flute, starting with the head joint here. There is, I don't know if you, I think you could see it on the video, there's a small dent right there, that was there when I got it from the school. Aside from that, once you take this larger section here, you're going to line up the mouth hole with this first, the main row of keys here. And as you mentioned in the video, it should slide on pretty easy. And then once on mine I get to that dent right there, it becomes a little bit difficult, but it doesn't hinder anything as far as getting the flute on. It still goes on pretty easy. It's just a little bit more difficult than usual. And you line up the mouth hole with this first, with the main row keys right here. And then the smaller joint here, we got the pinky key, and we're going to line that up with this rod on the larger joint. And again, that goes on pretty easy. And you can see we've got the whole flute. We double check, make sure that the mouth hole is lined up with the keys here. And then we've got the rod that is lined up with the pinky keys. And that's how you put together the flute. And then when deconstructing the flute, obviously, it's important to be just as careful as putting it together. So make sure you take that joint off properly. And then being careful with the head joint and the main part here. And with that dent, it does, like I said, it does make it a little bit more difficult, but it's not terribly difficult to get on and off, just a little bit more than I think it should be. And that's how you assemble and disassemble the flute.